So in this tutorial I will show you how to build the CoDrone remote controller. This is called the Smart Inventor board, which has ports, on-off buttons, sensitivity sensors, and DIP switches, which are these. It also has sensors here. You can code these parts to kill the drone. And you should have some nails and nuts with this as well. So first, to build the remote, you need to put the two nuts on the back of the Smart Inventor board, and then you put the longer nail to strengthen the connection between them. Then you add this nail. I think you should find them pretty easily. And then you screw that with the nut. Then you use the joystick. It has a rectangular hole which fits very well with the joystick controller, then makes this. Then you screw that with the smaller nail, then you strengthen that with the nut, then you do that for the other side. This should be how it looks like. Now these are the batteries, and you won't be able to move the drone or do anything with the controller without batteries. So then you stick the smaller nail into these parts, and then you stick the nail that we just used into the back. And then you screw that here, and then you strengthen that screw with the nut. This is what tells you if the drone is in upload mode or in running the program mode. And so you put the batteries, and it's into this here, and then you put all of the SVG connectors into its correct places. The yellow line goes to here, and the black line goes from the right side. Then you add the serial connectors into this port, into port A. Pretty sure that's what it's called. And then here, what I told you, this is the power of the Smart Inventor board. This is the sensitivity, the reset button here, DIP switches, and you can code here and here to make them kill the drone. This is what I was talking about. Here, when the remote control is in upload mode, this will change its color to red or green. These are the joysticks, and this is the remote.